Thank you for your interest in the Cavalier Club Plan Amendment. A plan amendment is a change to the Fairfax County Comprehensive Plan, which is a guide used to make decisions about land use and development. This presentation provides an overview of how the property is currently planned and developed and explains the proposed land use changes. The 5.6-acre site is developed with a 12-story building containing 220 multifamily units and 2,600 square feet of retail. It's located within the Seven Corners Community Business Center, adjacent to the City of Falls Church and Arlington County. The existing building sits in Fairfax County, while surface parking and open space extend into Arlington County. Surrounding uses include low-density neighborhoods to the north and east, community suburban retail to the southwest portion of the site, and a multi-family community south of Wilson Boulevard. The area is zoned R20 for multi-family use, with comprehensive plan guidance that allows 16 to 20 dwelling units per acre and up to 0.25 floor area ratio of neighborhood suburban retail. The proposed land use changes for the Cavalier Club Plan Amendment consider allowing up to 5,000 square feet of retail and a potential to add 250 new multifamily units, resulting in a total of 470 multifamily units. The proposal includes a new 8-story building at the corner of Wilson Boulevard and North McKinley Road. A new parking garage is planned in the southwest portion of the site. County staff is now in the impact analysis phase, gathering feedback from the community and other agencies. We will use this input to develop staff recommendations before moving into public hearings with the county's Planning Commission and Board of Supervisors. Some of the staff's considerations for this plan amendment include preserving market affordable housing, improving pedestrian and bicycle access, creating a shared access point with the property to the west, and providing public park space. Just a few of issues under evaluation. This concludes the presentation about the proposed land use changes for the Cavalier Club Plan Amendment. You can visit the project webpage to learn more and contact staff if you have any questions or comments. Thank you for taking the time to be a part of this process.